So as it is, for you to be able to get your video ninja connected to the already created room, for those who followed the first video, and if you are encountering this video now, you are yet to see the first one, I implore you to go watch the first video, so then you come back to this for good understanding. So let's go straight to what we have to do. So in video one, the video ninja has already been created. We already have a room already created. So here now, what we need to do on the phone, be it that you are using the Android or you are using an iPhone device, so just go to the App Store, iOS App Store, or you come to the Play Store on the Android. So in any case, you launch it. So when it is done, just save yourself the stress. Just type video. So through search, you got it from history. So, and if it doesn't bring you, just type video ninja like American Ninja. So then search. So the application will come. So right on this system, the app has already been installed, so that's why you are seeing open here. So what we need to do now is just to install it. So after the installation has been completed, so you definitely get the button for open. So same way on the iOS too. So tap the open, so then allow the application to launch. So the best thing to do now is, we have other options anyway. So you can decide to use back camera. You can decide to use this. So if you're using back camera, it's just the same way. Remember the room that has already been created on your laptop, on your PC. So the name you used, so for example, mine is ND Streams. So that's for this purpose, or it's just meant for the purpose of this tutorial anyway. So then in that, you then have to provide the name of that room into this application. So that's if you are using this platform. So then if password is assigned to that room, so you have to get the password as well. Then you enter the password. So but if the password is not there, so I think it's easy then. So just stick to the room name. So then after that, you can come to the default microphone. So whichever microphone you want to use, so just put it there. So you can just say default. So be it that you are using external microphone or you are using the inbuilt microphone, so the operating system will decide that. So then the next one is the picture, the quality of the picture. So I always prefer to enable the prefer 1080 progressive. So but in doing that, you have to be sure that the network of your area is actually good, so that the network is good. So because if the network is not good, the 1080 might not, you know go well because of the quality. So then apart from that, you can say force landscape. So you can force landscape, so which implies that you allow your phone to go on the landscape. So you might decide to just remove that one as well. So because other settings can actually be done. So when you get to the room already created, so then when you are done with all these preferences, so remember the first one is for you to enter the room name that's already been created. So if password is available, enter it, leave microphone to default, then you enable the prefer 1080 progressive. So then any other thing, you can just try them out. So if it work well for you, fine. If it doesn't work well, it is easy for you to just come back and just change few things here. So then after that, you tap on connect. So once you tap on connect, so you definitely will be getting something like this. Don't mind me, right now where I am in my country, there's no light, there's no power. So that is that. So from the preference that we have on the screen here, you can see we already have our camera enabled. So as this is enabled now, automatically, you know, uh, you begin to see this camera, coming up in the room already created. So on this screen now, we have few things that I just need to point to. So the first one is the microphone. So you can decide to mute the microphone. That's if you don't want to use the microphone, inbuilt microphone or the attached microphone with your device. So you can just mute it. So if on the vMix, for instance, if you are linking it up to the vMix, so maybe you already have an audio interface on the vMix, so automatically you can just decide to uh, operate in that dimension, so to say. So sorry about that. So then the next one is the camera itself. You might just choose the next option if you want to blind the camera so that nothing will come up again. So per adventure you are recording and something unattractive came up, so you can just blind the camera. So then if you need it back, you on it again. So then with the third one, you'll be able to switch from the front camera to the back camera. So in whichever way, so whatever you desire to use, so you just make sure that you do that. So that's for the third one here. So then we have mirror, so you can decide to mirror the screen, so maybe from left to right and vice versa. So tap it, you can see that the mirror has been moved to the left, then you tap again, it's gone to the right. So then if there's any need for you to on the flash of your camera, so to at least provide some level of illumination, so you can see the effect. So that is that. Then when you are done with your task, whatever it is that you want to use it for, you can just decide to uh just uh end the video on the last button here. So and that is it for this one. So stay tuned to this channel, and remember you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button and like, comment, because engagement is very very important, so that we'll be able to know, okay, what have we done that is good, where do we need to improve on, so and all that. So we'll be able to come good next time, just for you, thanks. I'm Austin James. Thank you.